Pat him. So. Give him both reins on the circle. Try, trust him. Trust him. Give him both reins. Pat him with both. So. And sit. Stay on the circle. So. And now come back to trot. You have to find the way and the key that you come independent from your reins. Outside rein, use the voice. Keep the reins there, use the voice. Ooh. So, and rising trot, and now on the circle. And pat him, and that he starts not to run against your reins, that he starts to listen on your seat, that he uses his power in the right way, because then you have a super trot and a super attitude. But when you hold him, he's running and pulling against. So a lot of transitions, a lot of different ways. Make him busy, make him paying attention to your riding instead of running against. So, good, but you have a really top horse. Thank you and good luck with it. Huh?